Hey there, fellow educators and all you amazing parents. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game-changing treasure in the world of spelling, all about spelling. Imagine this, a spelling curriculum that takes you back to the charm of a one-room schoolhouse. All About Spelling does just that. Every lesson is like a journey into the world of language, starting with phonograms, the building blocks of sounds and words. Sound cards, my friends, are a game changer. Practice writing phonograms from dictation, discovering the magic of each sound coming to life under your fingertips. And let's not forget those rule cards packed with spelling rules and generalizations. It's like having a secret weapon for spelling success. But here's the real excitement, the word cards. Watch those words come alive as your little learners arrange them, spell them out, and feel the joy of mastering the art of language. It's all about making spelling engaging and empowering. And the cherry on top, my absolute favorite part, the activity quest. These little gems provide mental breaks filled with hands-on fun. It's the perfect mix of learning and play, ensuring that young minds stay engaged and excited on their spelling journey. The best part? Whether you're starting at level 1 or above, All About Spelling meets your learners where they are. It's a curriculum tailored to their needs, creating a strong foundation for language that grows with them. Get ready to dive into the world of All About Spelling. It's setting the stage for a lifelong love of language.